Let's be honest with each other for a moment. There is a specific, quiet kind of pride we feel when the sun hits the floor, and there isn't a single speck of dust in sight. It's that feeling of being able to walk across your own kitchen in bare feet and feeling nothing but smooth, clean tile. But if you're over 65, that pride often comes with a steep price, and usually we pay for it with a literal pain in the lower back. How many times have you looked at a stray dust bunny hiding under the sideboard and just sighed thinking, "I'll get to it later"? You aren't being lazy, and you certainly aren't old in the way the world tries to define us. The truth is, you are simply trying to use tools designed for 20-year-olds who don't have to worry about their balance or their spine. Today, we are changing the rules of the game here at Silver Life Hacks 65+. I am going to show you the exact no-bend floor care revolution that allows you to reclaim your home without risking a fall or a painful flare-up. I want you to stick with me until the very end, because the fifth tool on my list is the ultimate game changer for our independence. Most seniors think this specific tool is too high-tech or too complicated for them to bother with, but it is actually the simplest, most effective way to never have to touch a heavy, awkward broom ever again. Let's dive right in and get your home feeling like a sanctuary again. We all grew up in an era where elbow grease was the gold standard for a clean house. We were taught that if you weren't scrubbing on your hands and knees, you weren't really working hard enough to keep a good home. But as the years pass, our homes should be our place of peace, not an obstacle course that threatens our physical health. The biggest threat to our independence as we age isn't a number on a calendar, it's the risk of a sudden fall. And do you know where the vast majority of household falls actually happen? They happen on slippery floors while we are leaning over at an awkward, unbalanced angle trying to reach a corner. Think about the physical toll of a traditional mop and bucket for a second. You have to lift and carry 10 or 15 pounds of sloshing water across a slick surface while trying to keep your balance. Then you have to bend down low to wring out that heavy mop head, putting immense pressure on your lumbar spine. Finally, you're pushing that heavy, waterlogged weight back and forth for an hour. It's not just cleaning. It's a high-impact workout that none of us signed up for in our retirement years. This is why our first category in the no-bend revolution is all about the lightweight movement. We need to stop fighting against gravity and start making the laws of physics work for our benefit instead. The goal here isn't just a clean floor. It is a safe body and a relaxed mind that isn't constantly worried about the next chore. If you still have one of those heavy gray cotton string mops in your utility closet, I want you to give yourself permission to retire it today. The secret tool used by professional organizers who specialize in senior living is the long-handled microfiber dust mop. Now, why should we care about microfiber specifically? Unlike a standard broom that just kicks dust and allergens back into the air for you to breathe in, microfiber works on a molecular level. It creates a tiny static charge that grabs and holds onto the dust and pet hair rather than just moving it around the room. But the real magic for our community is the incredible weight of the tool itself. Most of these professional-grade mops weigh less than 2 pounds total. To put that in perspective, that is roughly the weight of a single loaf of bread from the grocery store. Imagine cleaning your entire living room with something that feels that light in your hands. Now let's talk about how to use it without a single inch of bending over. Most of these mops use simple Velcro-style pads on the bottom. Instead of bending down to pull the pad on or off, try what I call the Velcro drop technique. Simply drop the clean pad on the floor with the fuzzy side facing up toward you. Hold your mop handle, hover the head over the pad, and just set it down firmly. It clicks right into place, and your back never had to move an inch. When you're finished, you can use the tip of your shoe to peel it off and toss it right into the washing machine. Another professional tip: always go dry first, wet second. Use the mop dry to get all the debris and pet hair off the surface first. Then, instead of a heavy bucket, use a small spray bottle with your favorite cleaner. Spray a little bit of mist in front of you as you walk, glide the mop over it, and you are done. Now, let's tackle those tough spots that we all dread. I'm talking about the dried coffee spill in the kitchen or the darkening grout lines in the bathroom tile. This is exactly where most of us make a mistake and get down on our knees to scrub. I want you to stop doing that immediately. It is far too dangerous and hard on your joints. Enter the cordless electric spin scrubber with an adjustable extension arm. I want you to imagine a giant electric toothbrush, but designed specifically to handle your floors and your bathtub. The extension arm means you can stand perfectly upright while the machine does the work. You keep your shoulders back and your spine in a neutral, safe position the entire time. The motor does all the oscillating and scrubbing for you at thousands of rotations per minute. I've seen many viewers in our comments mention they struggle with grip strength or a bit of arthritis in the fingers. When you're shopping for one of these, look for a D-shaped or an ergonomic handle. These are much easier to hold and guide without having to squeeze tightly with your palm. This one tool turns a 20-minute hands and knees nightmare into a 2-minute standing job. It's all about working smarter and protecting your energy for the things you actually love to do. If you're not quite ready to go fully high-tech with batteries and motors, the integrated spray mop is your perfect middle ground. The golden rule for senior cleaning is very simple. Never carry a bucket of water. A bucket of water isn't just heavy. It's a major trip hazard waiting to happen when you're looking at the floor instead of your feet. These integrated mops have a small, refillable bottle attached directly to the handle of the mop. You fill it once at the sink, and because it uses a fine mist, it lasts for weeks of spot cleaning. You simply pull a small trigger on the handle, a light mist appears on the floor, and you glide over it. Here's a special silver hack for your cleaning solution that will save you a lot of money. Fill that bottle with 1 part white vinegar and 4 parts warm water. It is completely non-toxic, it's safe for your lungs, and it costs literally pennies to make. No more breathing in those harsh chemical fumes that make you cough or irritate your eyes while you work. And the best part is that the floor dries almost instantly because you aren't soaking the wood or tile. That means less time waiting for floors to dry and much less risk of a slip and fall accident. I promised you the tool that truly changes the lifestyle of everyone in our 65+ community. I know many of us feel a little bit intimidated by smart home gadgets and new technology. We often think, I don't want to have to learn a computer program just to tidy up my house. But I want to let you in on a little secret. The modern robotic vacuum is actually a senior's best friend. Think of it as a quiet, helpful little assistant that lives under your sofa and works while you sleep. You don't need an app, and you don't even need a smartphone to use the basic, reliable models. Most of them have one big, clear, clean button right on the top of the machine. You can press it with the tip of your cane or even your toe. No bending required at any point. Why do I call this a safety tool instead of just a luxury vacuum? Because it gets under the beds, behind the heavy dressers, and deep into the corners of the room. These are the exact places we definitely shouldn't be reaching or stretching toward if we want to avoid a strain. By letting the robot handle the daily dust and crumbs, you only have to do a real mop once every few weeks. It preserves your energy and your back for the things you actually want to do with your day. Whether that's gardening, playing with the grandkids, or just enjoying a quiet cup of tea. You've worked hard your whole life. Let the machine do the heavy lifting for you now. Your home is a reflection of the beautiful life you've built over many decades. It should feel like a place of peace, not a source of to-do list anxiety every time you walk into a room. By switching to these no-bend tools, you aren't giving up or admitting that you can't do it anymore. You are leveling up and making a wise choice for your future. You are choosing your safety, you are choosing your long-term health, and you are choosing to stay independent. Staying in the home you love requires adapting to the body you have today, not the body you had 30 years ago. If you found these tips helpful, you'll definitely want to see my other video on the Japanese golden zone trick. It shows you how to organize your entire kitchen so you never have to reach a high shelf or a low cabinet ever again. I have a question for you today. Is there a specific corner of your home that always seems to stay messy because it's just too physically hard to reach? Tell me about it in the comments below this video. I read every single comment, and your struggle might just be the inspiration for our very next video lesson. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Silver Life Hacks 65+ so you don't miss our weekly tips. We're here to help you live big, stay independent, and strain less every single day. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay mobile, and keep those floors beautiful.